Fox 26 News at 9 starts right now.
Well, some are blind, some are riddled with disease. All were left to spend their remaining days alone and afraid.
But enter a Conroe couple who made it their mission to give unwanted and dying pets a new lease on life. Randy Wallace joins us live from Pure Mutts Animal Sanctuary in Conroe with a story you'll see only on Fox. Randy?
Katie, area shelters are full of dogs that are too sick, too terminally ill to be adopted out, and they end up being euthanized. But hundreds of dogs have been brought here to this sanctuary to spend their final moments surrounded by love with a couple that seem to have an endless supply to give. How long have y'all been doing this?
Officially 8 years, but since 2002 unofficially.
What Priyanka Jari and Ravi Grover spend their time doing sounds heartbreaking. Love unwanted dogs that were left to suffer and die alone.
You want to make sure that they know before they pass away that somebody cared and somebody loved.
The menagerie here at the Pure Mutts Animal Sanctuary include a three-legged dog, dogs with skin diseases and cancer, some with tumors bigger than baseballs.
Sometimes we get the call from the shelter and saying this dog has this disease. Family did not want to or could not afford it or did not want to pay for the vet bills, and we say, okay, bring them on and we will take care of it.
Of course, the couple get attached to the terminally ill dogs, and when one dies, so does a piece of their hearts.
You know what you're doing, so you kind of know it's going to happen, but it's tough.
And another dog needs you, and you just have to get up and keep going.
None of these dogs are up for adoption except these puppies. Yes, they are wearing dresses, and they are all looking for homes. As for the rest, this sanctuary is their home, and while it sounds like a sad place to be, it really couldn't be any happier here.
I'm waiting for the day when I am told you are no longer needed. That will be the happiest day in my life.
Now, as you can imagine, this place is run strictly on donation. So if you'd like to donate or you'd like to just find out more about the sanctuary, go to our website, myfoxhouston.com, and look under Seen on TV. Reporting live from Conroe, Randy Wallace, Fox 26 News.
Still trying to figure out the dog in the dress business.
I love that he pointed out that they were wearing dresses.
Of course.
Lest you should have missed that one.
Yes.